Well, it seems Motorola wasn't too happy with its performance, and in its place launching an updated Moto G5S Plus, in an effort to help address the many complaints of the first. This flashier model has seen a subtle redesign, dual 13-megapixel rear cameras and a screen size boost to 5.5 in as opposed to the earlier 5.2 in offering. The caveat: the price has jumped up from £250 to £260. In fact, the regular-sized G5 has seen an upgrade in the form of the Moto G5S2, complete with a battery increase, a jump to a 16-megapixel camera and an extra 0.2 in of screen real estate. In fact, in our review, we said, the Moto G5S Plus comes across as the phone the Moto G5 Plus could, or perhaps should, have been.